Section 7.3 is on perimeter and area of plane figures. Hopefully this is a nice review from you. You probably learned this in elementary school as well as middle school. We're going to fly through this section because really all this section's about is how do you find perimeter, which is the outside length of a shape, and area, which is the inside space of a two-dimensional figure. We'll talk briefly about them, but really what I want you to concentrate on are what are the formulas and more so the application problems. So let's get started. It starts off with the biggest set, the biggest name. It says a polygon. Polygon is a figure determined by three or more line segments that lie in a plane. The line segments that form a polygon are called its sides. The figures below are all examples of polygons. So you might know these shapes as something else. For instance, this first one looks like a square or rectangle. The second one's a triangle. You might know some of the shapes of these other ones, but all of these are called polygons. As long as it has three or more sides and it encloses a shape, that's called a polygon. So then you get this idea of what is a regular polygon. So what does regular mean? All regular means is all sides, each side has the same length. So anytime you see regular, it's each side has the same length. So a nice real world example of this is the Pentagon in Arlington. Pentagon, pent standing for 5, so that means it has 5 sides. It is a regular polygon, meaning each one of these 5 sides is of equal length. Are you going to be tested on the fact, the word polygon? Do you need to know the definition? No, absolutely not. But if you read it, should you know what it's about? All it's saying is this is an enclosed figure. So everything we're talking about is polygon. If you see the word regular, you should understand that means all sides are equal. I'm not testing you on it, but be able to read and understand what it means.